amazing viewers. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of wooden flooring with us today. We're not just skimming the surface. We're diving deep into the cool stuff, from the little details to why it's super awesome. So, grab a snack, tap that subscribe button, and let's uncover the mysteries of wooden floors together. Types of wooden flooring. Alright, let's kick off with the different types of wooden flooring. First up, we've got solid hardwood. This is the OG, crafted from a single piece of wood, oozing timeless elegance. Now, if you want a flooring superhero, meet engineered hardwood. It's made of layers, making it resistant to moisture, perfect for tricky areas like kitchens and basements. But wait, there's more. For our eco-warriors, there's bamboo flooring, sustainable and sturdy. And for those on a budget, laminate flooring gives you that wood look without breaking the bank. Features of wooden flooring. Now, let's talk features. Why are wooden floors so awesome? Picture this. They're like the chameleons of home decor, with various finishes, colors, and styles. You can make your space uniquely yours. And the best part, maintenance is a breeze. A quick sweep and a mop every now and then, and you're good to go. Oh, and here's a cool tidbit: wooden floors age like fine wine. Instead of wrinkles, they get character. How cool is that? Aesthetic appeal. Now, let's dive into the aesthetic appeal. Wooden floors are like the fashionistas of home decor. Whether you're into that cozy farmhouse feel or aiming for a sleek, modern look, wooden floors are your style wingman. They bring warmth and richness to your space, making it feel like $1,000,000. And the best part, they play well with others. Darker woods give you a snug vibe, while lighter tones open up your space, making it feel light and airy. Benefits of wooden flooring. Alright, let's wrap it up with the perks of wooden flooring. Think of it as a long-term investment. High-quality wooden floors can stick around for decades, adding value to your home like a reliable friend. Health alert: wooden floors are the allergy-friendly option. No more trapped allergens like with carpets. They're hypoallergenic, and cleaning is a breeze. Clean air and a clean floor, what more could you ask for? And there you have it, our ultimate guide to wooden flooring. If you found this journey through the world of wood helpful, show some love with a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your pals. Until next time, happy flooring, everyone.